DNA is like a blueprint, and so it tells the proteins in our bodies what to do and how to make our bodies work. And epigenetically, it means that this DNA can change. So the expression of genes can get turned on or turned off, and then that change can be passed down through generations. And then Jing, which is kind of roughly translated as kidney essence, is a really beautiful concept, 5,000-ish years old in Chinese medicine, that we inherit this powerful primordial ancestral memory, Jing, in our kidneys, and it is our constitution, and it is not easy to change, but it is possible to change through cultivation practices in Taoism. And in the fear and survival context, from a biomedical perspective, our brains are trying to protect us. So the amygdala and a lot of these beautiful lizard brain stems will often try to take care of us by going into sympathetic states, which is fight, flight, freeze, fawn.